Good morning, beautiful, and welcome to your 10-minute yoga flow. Inhale, stretch the arms up. Exhale, bend the knees, swing the arms forward. So on your inhale, you straighten up. Exhale, bend the knees, let it all go. On the inhale, breathe in the nose. Exhale out of the mouth. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward. We're warming up the core. This is so healing for the low back, and it's a perfect thing to do first thing in the morning. Few more times. Building some heat, building some grace, ease, and fluidity in the spine. Keep with it, almost done. And now fold gently forward, grab onto opposite elbows, and allow yourself to sway side to side, releasing out of the low back, allowing your vertebrae to extend and expand, growing a little longer, a little taller after this yoga session of 10 minutes. And slowly begin to bring the elbows to the corners of the mat. So right elbow towards the left corner, left elbow towards the right corner. Release the hands. Inhale, fingertips to the thighs. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep the palms out and up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Now come up on the right toes. Open and revolve the arms out to the left and right, twisting open to the right. Bringing your left hand to the outside of the knee, and exhale, lower the toes. Inhale, lift the knee up. Exhale, lower it down. Building our balance, linking breath with movement in this mini balance flow. And now we will hold the balance pose, keeping the left hand to the outside of the right knee. Look back at your right hand. Straighten your standing leg even more. Breathing deeply and with sound in and out of the nose. Releasing the pose. Inhale, sweeping the right arm up over the ear. And exhale, back behind you. Inhale the arm over the right ear. And exhale, sweeping it behind you. Inhale, stretch the side body. Exhale, open, revolve to the right. Inhale the right arm over the ear. Exhale, look over your shoulder and release the arm. Come up on the left toes. Expand the arms out wide to the left. On your inhale, lift the left knee. Exhale, release your toes back down to the mat. Inhale, right hand to the outside of the left knee. Exhale, toes lower back down. Moving in this balance flow, increasing our concentration, balance, and moving with the rhythm of our breath. Now keep the knee up, revolve the spine open to the left. Releasing the pose with grace and ease. Inhale, sweep the left arm over the left ear and then back behind you. Lengthen the side body and then sweep the arm behind you. Inhale the left arm over the left ear. Exhale, straighten it back behind you. Bending towards the right and exhale, opening to the left. Interlace the fingers behind the back. Bend your knees deep. Fold forward over your legs. You can keep your knees very bent here. Inhale, press the fist up towards the ceiling. Exhale, lower as far as you can forward. Inhale, open across the chest, lift the fist up. Exhale, release deep down. Inhale, press the hands up. Exhale, release the arms as much as you can towards the earth. Inhale, extend. Exhale, release the arms to low back. Pat very lovingly along the low back and sacrum. Waking up the energy centers. Now swirl the hands in circles over your low back, circling around your hips, and then up and down along the back sides of your legs. Circle around the kneecaps and up and down along your shins, and now up the inside of the shins and legs. Grounding your hands down, stepping back, bring your shoulders over your wrists, plank pose. Lower your knees down to the mat, pull your belly in, keeping your body in a straight line from hips to shoulders here. You can always curl the toes under and straighten the legs to build more heat and strength. And slowly lowering as slowly as you can down onto your belly. Roll your shoulders back, press up, Bhujangasana, lower with grace. Engage your thighs so much here. Straighten the legs, lift them up to hip width. Extend the arms back behind you, Shalabhasana. This is one of my favorite postures. You're going to see it a lot during this challenge because strengthening the low back is so pivotal for good posture and to avoid any pain in the low back. Bend your knees, extend your arms backwards, and then release, forehead to the tops of the hands. Breathing deeply from the low back all the way up to the back of the heart on every inhalation. Bring the hands next to the chest, press up and back, Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward facing dog. Make sure your fingers are spread wide from one another. Revolve your arms in towards your face to spread across the shoulders. Bend your knees, find even more space in the spine, and then allow your heels to float towards the earth. Step your feet together, inhale the right leg up, exhale, bringing your right knee in between the hands for Ekapada Raja Kapotanasana. Make sure your hips are square. You can always bring a block or blanket or pillow underneath the right hip. And then lower slowly down any amount, perhaps onto your forearms, perhaps all the way down to the earth. On your inhalation, breathe in for the count of 4 in your head. On your exhalation, to the count of 8. Slowly come back up. Curl the back toes under, press back, Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward dog. One more deep breath here. Then step the feet together, sweep the left leg up towards the sky, bend your left knee, bring it in between the hands, and then come up, make sure that your hips are square to the front of the mat. You can use a block, pillow, or bolster underneath your left hip, and come forward any amount. Forearms on the mat, or lower your forehead down. Breathing in for the count of 4 in your head and out for the count of 8. Slowly coming back up and sweeping the back leg around to glide onto your back. Shavasana. Just for 3 deep breaths. Slowly rolling over onto your side or bending the knees and rolling up. I'm wishing you a beautiful day full of courage and delight. Namaste.